Hi guys, how are you? Just doing you a video today on how to sharpen drill bits. Got this one here. It's a bit of damage there, as you can see. It's obviously hit something hard and hit something hard there and chipped off. So the best way to get the right angle on these ones I found is using a couple of nuts. So you put two nuts together like that. It makes the perfect cutting angle for these drill bits. There. Don't know if you can see that there. Yep. So that one where it's broken out is slightly out of angle there. What I'll do is I'll get this on the bench grinder and then sharpen it up. So first what I'll do is I'll run it on the coarse wheel there. You want to make sure that when you've got the angle, try and keep it to that angle and work it up and down, sort of thing like that, because when you have a look at a good drill bit, you can see it's got a cutting angle, and the tip, the cutting edge over here, see that there? The cutting edge is higher than the tailing edge there. See, let's show you that on there. That's something most of my drill bits always sharpen. As you can see there, the angle fits in perfectly there. It's just a guide really. Once you get the hang of it, you'll get into the process of just sorting it out. So back to the bench grinder. So when you're working on it, make sure you've got the right angle there. You don't want to be too wide or too narrow. Just keep it there and kind of work your way, maintaining the angle. Both sides. Just keep an eye out on it. Once you've done it on the coarse one, give you a nice cutting edge, then you move on to the fine one. Just make sure you got your PPE on and your gloves. Yep. I always keep a pot of cold water. You don't really want your drill bit getting hot when you're grinding it, because when it gets hot it loses its cutting edge. So you want to keep it in a temperature where you can sort of touch it, otherwise it gets too hot and, like I said, loses the cutting edge there. I want to pop you on hold because can't really do this with one hand. So I've ground up the sort of damaged cutting edge on there with a coarse wheel. You can see still retaining that angle. Higher on the cutting edge, lower on the tailing edge. Okay. Over to the fine grinding wheel. Okay, as you can tell, that's the sharpened one. Finish sharpening it. And that's your perfect cutting angle.